Hey guys, welcome back to the channel Fantastic Bros. Today we're gonna be unboxing Zillion Zeutron. So let's get into the video, guys. Let's get unboxing. Spring launcher looks fine, guys. Okay. Even the grip too. So put it like this. Even the Beyblade Zillion Zeutron looks fine too, guys. And like this, so it's all fine. I think so. Just do a quick hand launch. Okay, let me just try the launch now. 3, 2, 1. Okay, it's failed. Grip, okay. Fell out of my launcher. Why is it falling out of my launcher, guys? Okay. Grip. Yeah. So yeah, guys, it's good performance. I'm like not launching in full speed. If I launch it, it's gonna circle the room like crazy. The reviews told it about like it's gonna circle like crazy, guys, and lose its steam. Okay, that's it for today's video. Please, today's unboxing, guys. Please like and subscribe for more videos.